Okay guys, so good morning. Day 1 on my isolation here in Pasay at Century Park Hotel. So as you can see, this is my room right now. Here I got all this stuff that I have to bring with me. So sorry about the bed. I just wake up and watching some news on the TV, and this is where I am here. I'm at the 13th floor, I guess, and you can see the building from out there. I think those building high structural buildings are all hotel. Down is the car park, and this hotel is really just for quarantine, I think, for isolation before you go abroad. And those days that I have been here, I think I'm going to stay here for about 10 days, 14 days, you know, as required by the quarantine before you go out of the country and start working abroad. So now it's me here. Okay, so yep, this is me. Just wake up. I never comb my hair or whatever. I just do some start vlogging with me. So I'll just give you a quick tour to my hotel room. Okay, so this is the toilet. Now here I got my bathtub here. You got the complements of different stuff. The closet, okay, and here it is. Look at it. I'm not gonna show you all everything because it's kind of messy, but I think it's good. It's a good room. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video.